Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss what is the infinite banking life insurance concept. The infinite banking concept is essentially where policyholders become their own banker according to the Corporate Finance Institute. It allows participants to build value in the life insurance policy that can then be loaned against without having to go to bank or lender. They can then repay the loan to themselves, allowing the policy owner to become their own bank. Nelson Nash Institute. How does infinite banking work? The infinite banking concept is designed around a whole life insurance policy that experiences a guaranteed rate of growth plus potential dividend as the insured makes their premium payments. The policyholder can borrow from their whole life insurance policy and enter into a private contract with their insurance company that will allow them to take out a policy loan. If you decided to pay back the loan, it is then repaid back to the policy, avoiding many of the fees, credit checks, and taxes of traditional loans. What are the advantages of infinite banking? Infinite banking can be a useful financial strategy for people looking to build wealth and reduce the amount of money spent on third party fees and taxes. Here are some benefits of the strategy. Easier to get a loan. Compared to traditional loan that typically comes with applications and other requirements, borrowing money from the cash value of your policy has far few hurdles, and repayment can be set up with more flexibility than with a traditional loan agreement. This can be advantageous when you become to unexpected expenses. Tax advantages. Infinite banking also has tax benefits policy. Loans are traditionally tax fees. On top of this, whole life insurance policy enjoying tax-free interest growth. Additionally, the death benefit is guaranteed to your beneficiary tax-free and is often exempt from state taxes. Explains CB inside. Asset protection. The policyholder will need to enter into a private contract between them and their insurance company. The privacy of that agreement often comes with benefits for the policyholder, such as protection from creditor judgments, searches, and seizures. Plus, this would not impact your credit score. You can borrow without explanation. Credit checks and interest rates are generally lower than. Are there disadvantages of infinite banking? Through infinite banking can be a useful strategy for building wealth, it is not necessarily for everyone. Here are some things to consider when viewing if the infinite banking concept is right for you. Qualifying for the right whole life policy. Not all whole life policy are the same. To make the most use of the infinite banking concept, you should look for a policy that can help contribute to the cash value of the policy or help pay your premiums. For these strategies to work, you must qualify for an inappropriate insurance plan. If not, this strategy may not work. If your circumstance explains the Corporate Finance Institute. Cost of funding the policy. Whole life insurance policies are often more expensive than term life insurance. It requires the individual to be financially responsible enough to be their own banker. Make sure you can offer these higher premiums because if you fail to pay your premiums, your policy can lapse. This strategy may be better for those who are younger and healthier that can meet the financial obligation over a long period of time. Misinformation and confusion. The infinite banking concept can be confusing at first. Because of this, there is more misunderstanding about how this financial strategy works and when it's beneficial for individuals. That is why it is important to do your research and double check your findings with an insurance professional or a qualified tax or legal advisor. How do I get started with Infineon Banking Life Insurance? You might be wondering where to get started with Infineon Banking. Here are some recommendations of where you can be. Do your research. Research is vital in formalizing. Research is vital in formalizing yourself with the general concept of Infineon banking. Local law may change the way Infineon banking works with your policy. The specific insurance company and policy type may also have an impact on the specific of your contract. Understanding the nuances will allow you to make an informed decision about how to move forward with your personal Infineon banking strategy. That you first determine if this strategy is appropriate, and you may wish to consult with a qualified tax or legal advisor who can help you make the choice that is best for your specific needs. Analyze your current finance. Once you are done your research on Infineon banking, you should then consider your own financial situation. Infineon banking is a long-term investment, and premium price for whole life insurance policies are usually higher than term life insurance. All of this should be taken into account when deciding to move forward with an Infineon banking strategies. Contact a qualified insurance professionals. Whatever you are looking for information, you would like to start building toward Infineon banking, you can always contact your insurance company to answer questions or help you get started in putting Infineon banking to work for you.